people do be asking me, what is the point of rewriting the stories of the goddesses of Ériu, of Boan, of Breach, the Cailleach, Marigan? You know, why bother? Why not just retell the Scaelta that exist? Surely they're the Scaelta that were written down in the ancient books, right? Let's just retell the old stories.
Well, the real truth, actually, the fear Fernia is that there was the silencing of the Gael goddesses came in 3 waves. First, we had the Christian downgrading.
Buried the goddesses because they were written by men, Christian monks, with their own agenda, their own very strong agenda to squash the pagan feminine energy of the time. And you have the first set of books, Laura Gabala, and then you have the Tales of the Elders that come a little bit later. And even by that second iteration, you find St. Patrick has come into the stories and they're completely Christianised. And there's, you know, very little of the goddesses left. And they all die terrible deaths.
My 5-year-old daughter first said this to me.
Boan dies down the well. Maeve actually dies by being hit by a hard piece of cheese, if you can believe that. They were also, they were no longer goddesses. It's incredible how they were humanised, and there's a very fancy word for that and I've forgotten it, but actually it changes the goddess power into being queen. So we've Queen Maeve, right? And that's quite interesting because then she's just like human and she can die. And if we can make her die by a piece of cheese, she's not very powerful, is she?